Okay, men and women, today I'm gonna attempt to remove, well, I already have removed the clear coat off these rims. See how ugly that rim looks? Well, once I use the special clear coat removal, it's gonna look more like this one right here. Now it's got a little water specks, but you can see it's gonna look very nice like this one. Now again, here it is, getting all ugly, dirty, and so forth. So I'm going to remove the clear coat, and of course check up the car, remove that the center piece off the rim. Okay, well, be back in a minute. Okay, this is what I'm going to be using to remove the clear coat off this rim. I tried other ones and they did not work. Do not use paint remover. Use this one, aircraft remover. It costs a little bit more, but it's well worth the time and effort. This will take you probably about three times less than it would with the other junk. Again, I recommend using this one, aircraft remover. It will remove that clear coat quick, easy, and painless. Okay, I will bring the rim and we shall begin. Alright, let me adjust this here so you guys can see that better. Alright, there we go. Okay, be right back. Let me go get the rim. Here we go. Alright, I have to adjust this a little bit higher so you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm going to shake this up a little bit. Aircraft remover, Rust-Oleum aircraft remover, professional grade. It says here, removes the toughest finishes, works in 10 minutes. And I have to agree with him, it does work in 10 minutes. Remove that. Okay. Add a little bit in here. Don't need much, you'll take it off. You just dab it in there. cheap paint brush from Home Depot, Lowe's, and let's see. I'll start from this end right here, slightly. Gently. You don't want to get inside, well, at least for this particular one, I don't want to get inside the paint on the inside. It's just the outside that's going bad. Here we go. Pretty easy, man and woman, and YouTube land, do-it-yourselfers. You can see it's work. You can see it's already taken it off. See, this stuff works fast. It's easy. Like I said, do not buy the other stuff. Buy this. This is the best one. It removes it quick. I use the power washer to do the other three rims. And this one I'm just going to use the regular hose to wipe it clean. So we'll give it about 10 minutes. There you have it. Let's see if I can get a better. Here you go. Turn it around here for you. Seems like the sun. How do you like these skies? Is the weather improving? Maybe in some areas it's not, but over here it is. Okay. We'll give it about 10 minutes. I'm going to pause this, and then we'll be back when I'm going to clean it.